dad's car is smoking. I got a few jobs to do today. I gotta change my dad's water pump. Gotta change my belt tensioner, and I got some side work to do. I'm not gonna record the side work stuff because it's just side work, and I don't feel like recording that. But the two things I am gonna record is my dad's car and mine. This dude needs a water pump bad, and his radio is just doing weird shit. I don't know. Someone put in the comments why this is a 2017 Dodge Skypack. I don't know why the radio does weird shit. Like it just touches, like the buttons just. It's like someone's touching it, but I'm not. No one's touching it. It's just going through the options by itself. But this dude's car is smoke. I'm trying to get me a coffee, but like, I guess everyone and their mom is up because every Dunkin' is fucking packed, son. Every Dunkin' is packed, man. Not packed, man. It's just packed. Packed up. There's my dad's water pump right there. So y'all know I'm not jazzing. I need me a coffee, man. Alright, made it to my dealership that I work at. Bringing this car in over here through this gate. This is hard to do with one hand. I probably shouldn't be doing it with one hand, but who's gonna record? I'm just by my seat. It's just rattling. I gotta pop the hood and see this shit. Oh nah. Shit's smoking. Yo, that thing is jumping, dude. Oh my goodness. That is so bad. Look at it, they're spooning everywhere. That shit was just jumping, yo. What the shit, dude. Oh, hell no. The gaskets, and there's the water pump. Doesn't seem too bad. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 volts. Oh, it comes with the pulley too. I wouldn't even have to switch it over. It comes with the pulley on it. Damn. I think that's the thermostat. And yeah. Another idler pulley or tensioner. I think that's the tensioner pulley. But yeah, shit's on here. Mint. Gotta take the splash shield off, so all the cleaners gonna drop down. So I'm just gonna take the splash shield, take it down, see if I'm in frame. Oh shit. Alright, just change the angle, get these two hoses. There's one hose right here, second hose right here. so annoying. This is shit. Gotcha, motherfucker. Alright. This sometimes that always goes out the way. Now I just gotta loosen the tensioner, and then I can take the belt off. I'm not gonna take the whole belt off. I'm just gonna loosen the tensioner, which is over here somewhere, where my hand's at, down there. Take the belt off, and then start zapping the bolts off. This is the thermostat housing. Tensioner's right here. It's gonna be kind of tight because the fan's right here, electric fan. That shit's tight. Look at how much space I have. So all I gotta do is take this off the top, because this is the water pump right here. It's at the top. Man, come on, this is an American car. So take the belt off. Next bolt over here. Oh shit. And it's another long bolt. Look at this shit. Shit's long as hell. Okay. Got this pulley. Idler pulleys off. Ah man, this thing's hot. Idler pulley on the left side. Where I'll put this hose at, because this is kind of in the way. Okay, now since you take that idler pulley off, let me show you. Since this idler pulley's off, now you can get to that bolt right there, that bolt right there. So gotta get that off. This side's gonna be a little bit hard because the throttle body's here, and I gotta get a few bolts down there. This is the tensioner. So we're making progress, I gotta do this quick because the music's playing, but I took off the tensioner pulley right here. This is a water pump. Look at that, guys. That's when you need, this car got 55,000 miles. I guess around 60 this pump goes, and it's true because look at this shit. I got everything over here. I would advise you guys to follow the same way I'm doing it. See all the bolts is all there, so you can know which one goes back. And this, you have to take off this fitting and add on. Take the bolt off from the other thing and put this on. And there's a, I just learned that there's a hex fitting right here. It's not a full circle. These are hex Allen key fitting, so you just take that off and put it on the other one. And yeah, probably got like 4 more bolts down here to take off, and it's good. Let's see, I got 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4. Yeah, 4 bolts. These are just the ones. Then you gotta take this hose clamp off the bottom. Hose clamp is all the way down there, as you can see, somewhere down here. Hold on, let me get my light. I got my headlight on. Got this on, but there's the other hose clamp right there. You see it? The bottom hose clamp. It's right there. Yeah, it's not too bad. 1 more bolt over there. That one right there. And I already have that one. This one. That one's already loose right there. It's getting there, it's getting there. It's a pretty easy job to do. It's not hard. So just have 1 more bolt, which is down there. And this comes out. I'm gonna mute the video because there's music playing. But okay, I got 1 more bolt, which is this one. And it should pop off, hopefully. Hopefully. I think I got all of them. Long ass bolt next to the hose thing right here. It's next to this one. Okay, so I ran into a little issue with this tube right here. This tube. I used a 10 mil bolt under. I don't think you guys will be able to see it. Hold on. Get a flashlight. There's a 10 mil bolt right there, you see it? It's loosened, that's 10 mil. Pop it out. So you can get this tube off. So you can get this off. So and it comes off. You just pull it downwards motion, and it comes off. It pops right off. So you don't really have to take it out from the bag. Just take the 10 mil bolt so you get some space. I gotta take this connector off and take this fitting and add it to the new one over there. And that's really it. It took a little while. It's a little tight because this is the shaker version of the 392. And so yeah, I didn't have to take all this off. Just squeeze your hands, use basic tools, wrenches, ratchet wrenches. I do have cordless 3/8, and the insider did help me a lot from Milwaukee, because you can see the profile. It's pass through and stuff. But this that 16 socket is not a pass through, but smaller sizes are pass throughs. And yeah, that's what helped me get it off. So now I just have to unplug this sensor, and that's about it. I'm gonna charge this camera because this shit's gonna die. I got like 20%, and yeah, so I'm just gonna, behind scenes, I'm just gonna transfer this over. I'm not gonna record it early, and that should be it. So see you guys in the next clip. Okay, update. I took out the water pump, and I used like a red Brillo pad, nothing too crazy, to take off the crust, most of the crust and stuff. Here's the water pump. Tensioner is right there. Here's the old one. So this shit was bad. This one is just so smooth. I know I showed you guys how to put the bolts, so you guys know which one goes where. I got the sensor on, and I have the fitting for the coolant hose. You can also draw a box. This is kind of weird, but it kind of looks something like that, right? So now I'm just gonna put it on. Just gonna fly through this because this video is gonna be kind of long. So, but you guys get the picture. this hose unbolt it to get it out the way in a downward leftward motion. You'll get it out. All you really need is 13 sockets, 16 sockets, and just different sizes to get to different areas. These are both 13. This is a 15 and this is a 16. The 15 I needed for, I think, the tensioner, but I might be wrong. I'm sorry if I am, but that's it. Kind of simple. Okay, so I got the thermostat on, have everything bolted down, have the idler pulley bolted down. I just need a tensioner right here, and then put the belt on, which the belt is right there. So it's going well, Everything's going smooth, should be done soon. Okay, so thermostat's in, belt on, just putting coolant down. Everything looks good. So I'm gonna start it up soon. All right, everything is good. Time to start it. Let's, got a little light. Belt is on. Yep, everything looks good to me. I'm gonna go start it. Hopefully it's all good. Okay, let's start it. See how she is. Oh boy. Ah. Oh, they're molding. Somewhat low. Add some more coolant, but yeah, that is how you change a 6.4 liter water pump. Shout out to my dad for helping me make this video. I didn't charge him anything, but it's all good, man. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys.